All of y'all for coming. We're small now, but hey, it's growing. We trying to bring women together, and this is what we doing. We riding. So
what's up, folks? Y'all, it's that time again. Me and Ice about to be on our next little adventure. Y'all, we've been outside, and we don't know how to sit down. This weekend, Red Eye has went his way. Foxy, that's me. I'm going my own way. I may see him, I may not. Probably won't. But I am going, as you see here, my shirt says the Killeen All Female Ride. Here in Killeen, Texas, there is an all-female ride. I know last night we had some ladies coming in from Colorado Springs, so I'm hoping today when I get there, there is so many more ladies there, but we gonna see. I'm gonna take y'all along with us. So, like always, y'all stay tuned. And guess what? If you have not, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my videos, y'all. We trying to grow this channel. Come on, y'all, let's do it. Peace. Yes. Y'all, it actually feels good outside. I may be speaking too soon. I am in the garage. There is shade right here. When that sun come out, maybe a little different. Let's see. Good. It actually feels good outside. I know. I'm like, can it just stay that way? Yes.
Anybody else?
No, it's just us going up there. All right, y'all. Like always, you know, I gotta pick somebody up. Tell them, hey, Amy.
Hello.
All right, on to the female ride, y'all. Our next rider's not here, y'all. Let me find out where she's at. She finally made it back there. All right, headed to the ride. Stay tuned. We made it, y'all, to the all-female ride. Let's get it in. Let's get it in. Good morning. Good morning. Good, good, good. Morning, morning. Alrighty, y'all. Let's see what's going on. Somebody playing DJ out here, so I don't know how well it's gonna work. So we gonna see. My bad. I thought I was like 80 miles an hour.
My little bike's like, we gonna get it.
And we got it.
We got it. She screams a little bit, but she makes it.
All right, we are here, y'all, at the Killeen All Female Ride. We are here. We are here. We are here. And we got the females out. All kind of bikes. Street Envy right there.
Yes, we will. Because she's in that
Are we doing a briefing?
That's all. Nobody's making us take anything off.
What happened? What I miss? Did I miss something? I sure hate I didn't get you coming in. Because you was looking all fly and shit. Did you get here and get hot? Got the bikes out, y'all. It's a nice little turnout. Nice turnout. That damn tri-glide right there, baby. Thing's nice. Got all kind of bikes out. A little bit of everybody. A little bit of everybody. All right. All right, y'all see the crew. Let me see who I can run into now. Okay, y'all, we are getting ready to do the safety briefing.
Everybody, if we could go ahead and come in, do our safety brief. We got other police and cameras in place. It's understood. Let me go get that off. Second.
Good morning.
I saw y'all pull up. We saw y'all.
I was trying to get over here.
I'm a ride. I get the ride. Okay, so first of all, thank all of y'all for coming. We're small now, but hey, it's growing. We're trying to bring women together, and this is what we're doing. We riding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave here and we're gonna take off and we're gonna take a nice little scenic route to the Harley Davidson where we'll do our day party. We will have a police escort in the front and the back. We also have tow trucks, just in case anything happens, and we have another one in place. Please be safe. We all know how to ride. Most of us are in a club and for independence. I'm sure you know your hand signals and stuff, but just in case. Shit, I forgot to know. Yeah, do somebody come right here. Help me out. Shit, I've been doing a lot for the past week. Yeah, so just pay attention to the person in front of you.
There you go, right there.
There you go. How about that? We're going to try to do
signal back.
more staggered than right beside each other because everybody don't know how to ride with each other. I mean, let's just keep it real. But try to keep the gaps, you know what I'm saying, real tight so that we don't have no problem. Okay, I'm going to let him explain his part, and then they're going to come and explain our route, and then we're going to go ahead and mount up.
Good morning, my name's Mac.
Good morning. Remember all of us, no tickets.
Yes, ma'am. All right, we're gonna exit out of here and go down Elms to Stand Slaughter Loop. Once we get to...
Is there enough of us?
No broken chain. Right, can't break
Anybody
the
want to
chain.
say a prayer? All right, it's me. Okay. I can talk to God. All right. Amen. Father God, we thank you for this opportunity to come together as women, doing the thing that we love to do, which is ride our motorcycles. As we go on this road, please cover us. Cover every single woman here, and as we end our weekend, cover them going home. Sure. I just pray straight to guys.
Amen. She said, y'all didn't hear that.
Once again, please y'all, if y'all can, just for the ride, let's just be no cuts. Yeah, so it's two. I know, I hate taking mine on two, but I just, you know, we just want to be uniform. I know y'all got it.
All right, all the bikes are here. We are about to take off. So they asked us nicely to take our cuts off so we can all be uniform, and guess what? I obliged, okay? So here I am. Let's get it.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
cleaned up. We got vendors over there. We got hot. We got Miss Sassy, Gassy. Look, all that. And we got good old food over there from Chef Mo. And we got the vendors.
Oh, I gotta go get my plate. Oh, what's you real quick? Let's go get our food. We hungry. We gonna get our food real quick. And then I'm gonna go back and talk to ourselves. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm down for whatever.
I don't let my wife serve herself, so I ain't gonna let you
Well,
do it.
there. Okay. She got you right then.
The woman got me like that. That's my mama.
Well, she got you right
Got me
then.
like that.
We got some. Is this jerk chicken?
Yeah, jerk.
What? Oh, heck yeah. I got a tour pack. Oh, y'all want both? You got the real food.
Rice and beans.
Yeah, buddy. Like I said, I got a tour pack. We'll go straight up in there.
Cornbread. Oh, mama made that cornbread.
Mama, you doing the damn thing. Okay, yes.
Want some barbecue sauce?
Sure, I'm sure it's good. It
homemade.
looks like it's homemade. That's what I'm
Homemade.
saying.
Yeah, I don't need no plate. Nowhere near like that.
Yeah,
I need a
plate.
baby plate.
Baby plate.
That's okay. This is a plate we ate on today and later on. Yes,
The one
ma'am.
you put in the fridge after a nice drink.
Right. Thank you so
They
much.
go
Silverware, okay.
wipe that off.
Oh. And you got a business?
Huh?
You got a business?
B&B Suites. Yeah, we do Airbnbs.
B&B Suites?
Yeah, Tanya and I, myself, Little Bits, and Jarvis, we do B&B Suites. So when you need a chef, you just hit up Chef Mo.
Oh, okay, Chef. I'm gonna put you on my YouTube page, all right?
Please do. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Chef Mo. And we got other vendors over here, y'all. What's your business called? What's your name?
Sassy Solutions.
Okay, y'all looking up Sassy Solutions. I was trying to buy me some shades over here. Y'all know how I am about my shades, okay?
And I also do hair over at headquarters.
Oh, really? How much are the shades?
So I have $5, $7, and $10 shades.
How much are these?
Those ones are $7. And then I have a business card as well.
Okay. Tell us about her business, please.
Oh, she made hip chains, jewelry.
What's the name of the business?
Creation made by passion.
Okay. And what else she do? Cause she be doing the damn thing.
She sell rings, she sell bracelets for bikers. Sell nice little name tags.
Okay. Yeah.
All custom made.
Okay. And let me see. I got here's her card right here. Y'all, this lady right here, she be doing the damn thing, okay? So y'all check her out. She got a whole website and everything, okay? Another vendor that we have here.
Heels on 2s and 3s. Check us out at heelsontwos.com. I'm Breakaway, the CEO. This is one of my ambassadors, Pretty Girl. Hey, we in the building. We come to support.
Hey, y'all be everywhere too.
Yes, we try to be.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, let me see here. Let me see what you got purple over here. Ooh, hold on, wait. All right, y'all, I made it back to the house. I did the all Killeen Female Ride. You know, I told y'all this morning, you know, Red Eye was off doing his own thing, but I did end up running into him. And let me show you what I found out.
What you find out?
Turn around, baby. Ooh, look at there. Look at there. He trusting that process.
Going through the process. And it's processing out quite well.
Yes. So I found him, y'all, and he a new man today. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next one. Peace.